Hey, what's up guys? Doing a quick video today, an install of Maxpider floor mats. They're all-weather mats for the QX70. They fit perfectly, way better than stock. I had them on my Subaru and loved them. So this is gonna be a quick little install. We'll compare them to stock and you guys can see how awesome these mats really are. So they just come in this nice, easy packaging. Something to note on these, they just have that awesome texture. And I think this is the Kaiju carbon fiber black. That's for your feet. Just really nice texture. Bottom has this like non-slip kind of Velcro-y feel to it. So it sticks in really well. So yeah, let's pop out the stock mats, get these on the floor, and get a nice comparison going. This is just a quick comparison. You'll see the stock mat shape has tons of gaps. So you'll always end up with like dirt or rocks getting on your carpet in those sections. And this one is just perfect. Even this is how much more coverage you're getting with the Maxpider mats. It's way better, way more coverage. And the finish is way better. And if you spill anything, it's got this huge lip. It's just gonna hold it in there like a bucket. In the rear, you just have this one mat piece, and theirs does not have that cross section in the middle. So I may keep this one underneath these and mount them up. I'm gonna see how it fits real quick. So we still have all this stuff down here that I'll peel off from the dealer. I don't know, maybe leave it on. I don't know, it's keeping a bunch of rocks in there, but I'm just gonna do a quick little vacuum. I pushed the seats all the way back right now. We got the back seats. Got some stuff in here. So yeah, that cross section will probably get kind of dirty if nothing's covering it. So I may keep that under mat. Okay. Oh, what a tight fit. It does cover up the dead panel. Not bad. Oh my gosh, that is such a tight fit. Sweet. So check this out, guys. Comes into here, just nice and snug. Up around the corners. Gaps are almost perfect here. I think I need to just scoot it up a bit real quick. Passenger side is absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Look at that molding. 3D molding goes all the way up. That is awesome. So it's starting to rain, which is perfect timing. We're about to get rain for 5 days here, so this is excellent timing on this mod. Okay, so the rear, both sides are not mirrored. They're a little different. So behind the passenger side is a little deeper. And see how it all wraps around, and then comes up over this piece where the factory one goes under it, like as a clip to go underneath it. This one goes over it. So that's this side. Behind the driver, it's a little different. They're both identical on each side. And it does go over, but look how high it comes up. Comes up like 2 inches, 2.5 inches. Like I said, to keep any snow, water, which is perfect. So I do plan on doing some snowboarding, skiing this season, and these mats are really going to do the trick. That's the Maxpider floor mats for the QX70. So overall, really happy with the fit, really happy with the finish. Had them on the babywrex, and I just loved them. They're great, super awesome mats, really easy to clean. You can just spray them down, and they never really get dirty. So I'm really happy with this mod. Guys, pick them up. I'll drop a link down below. You can find them on Amazon, find them on eBay. They're just all over. All right, another quick one. I picked up these aluminum knobs for the stereo. It's got black plastic ones right now. This is gonna go really cool with the look because it's like a blue light that goes around it. So let's just jump in the cab real quick and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this will be something that's a lot more noticeable at night. Right now it's just that blue LED, the black knobs, and they're just like kind of a rubbery I feel like with the aluminum ones, it's just going to kind of go with the overall look a little more. And they're going to reflect some of that blue light, so at night it's going to look really, really awesome. All right, install's pretty straightforward on these. You just pull out this one. Just get this one, kind of jiggle it around and push it in. That's it. Pretty easy, right? All right, there's the finished look. Flows a lot more. They're super smooth. Only kind of weird, silly thing is, and there's a couple companies that make these, is there's actually like a little etch mark in there for like your volume or whatever, but these knobs just spin in circles. There's no actual, you know, lock left or lock right. It's just, they just keep spinning, so that doesn't even matter. Okay, let's jump into this next small mod here. It's slightly a performance one. So I've looked around, and there's no company that makes an air intake for this engine specifically. I've seen some people mock up their own and create their own. But yeah, some of these look really cool. Turned out really well. The guys did an awesome job mocking them up in the front. But nobody sells them as a kit. So that being said, I had to get something. And this honestly is the best I can do at the time, because I don't want to mock up my own intake kit yet, but got dry flow air filters. These are AEM. And I didn't want to go with the K&N because I did not want to do a wet filter. There's the part number. And yep, both filters are in the box. Sweet. Got a sticker. But yeah, that's it. Let's run out to the car real quick and I'll show you how easy these are to drop in. Super easy on this. Those two clips pop straight out. You do not have to fight with the box like WRX style. So there's the old one. Here's the new one. You can just see, you can just put it in the same way. It looks like there was some oil on there. I'm not sure exactly what their process is, but it says dry flow, no oil. You just throw that in here and simply just push it back in. Same thing on this side. Pull it back. There it is. And what the heck, I put the sticker on right there. Never put any stickers really on my WRX, so I'm gonna switch it up a little bit here. There it is, pretty easy. I've been looking online, they have covers that actually go over the intakes. These extra plastic covers, it looks like they actually would clip in here on the sides. And it covers basically the rest of the engine bay. It kind of looks more like an Audi or a BMW, how you can't really see anything when you open the hood. I think that might look kind of clean, but at the same time I like seeing some of the white, and I don't know, I may put a strap bar here soon at some point because I do want to get one. And yeah, that's it, guys. Hey guys, I'll catch you guys soon. I've got some more mods coming up. Hope you have a great one. Peace.